Welcome to this lesson on compound inequalities. Specifically, we are going to master AND statements. This is a fundamental concept in algebra that helps us describe specific ranges of numbers. So, what exactly is a compound inequality? It's simply two separate inequalities that are joined together by a word, usually AND or OR. Today, we are focusing exclusively on the AND operator. When we use the word AND, we are talking about an intersection. For a number to be a solution, it must satisfy condition A and condition B at the exact same time. We are looking for the overlap. Think about a roller coaster safety sign. It might say you have to be taller than 48 inches to ride, but you also have to be shorter than 80 inches. You cannot just meet one requirement, you must meet both. That is a compound inequality in real life. In math, we often write this in a compact form. Instead of writing x is greater than 3 and x is less than 9 separately, we combine them. We put x in the middle. This reads as x is between 3 and 9. Let's see this on a graph. Here we have x is greater than 2 in red, and x is less than or equal to 7 in blue. The solution is only the purple area where they overlap. Notice how the solution starts at 2 and ends at 7. Now let's solve one. We have 2x plus 4 is less than 12, and x minus 3 is greater than negative 5. We solve them separately. First, subtract 4 from both sides, then divide by 2. We get x is less than 4. Now for the second part. We have x minus 3 is greater than negative 5. We simply add 3 to both sides. This gives us x is greater than negative 2. Now we have our two pieces. Let's put it all together on the number line. We need numbers that are greater than negative 2 and less than 4. We place open circles at negative 2 and 4 because the inequality symbols do not have the or equal to line. The solution is the line connecting them. To wrap up, remember three things. AND means intersection. Always look for where the graphs overlap. And finally, get comfortable writing the solution as a single combined statement. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.